Hey guys, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2014 RZR 800. Very similar to the trail models that are out now. Came standard as 50 inches wide, but they did widen it a little bit by putting wheel spacers on there. A little bit hard to see, of course, in the video, but there are wheel spacers, a number of other accessories, winch, windshield, roofer, panel. Real simple. They didn't go to a lot of trouble putting a lot of accessories on this machine, but it is 800 cc, so it's a 53 horsepower bed. It's, you know, these came with the taller sides on the bed. You can even see there is a receiver in there to tow stuff. Basic RZR 800, like I said, does have power steering, so it makes it easy when you're out there riding and stuff. But if you're looking for an inexpensive side-by-side like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-324-5251 and find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.